like Stanflix, yung isang European ano natin dito, no, inspired restaurant natin. It's already operating from 3 p.m. to 2 a.m.
Yes.
So for sure, yung mga other stores natin kapag nandiyan na yung BPO, 24 hours na din sila. Just like what happened with Eastwood City and McKinley Hill, Uptown Bonifacio.
Yes, so we're really excited sa mga development dito, no? But, ayan, ano na, almost complete na, no?
Ang bilis ng progress natin dito. Kasi nga po, no, yung San Fernando din is helping Manila to decongest, no? And talagang to migrate the opportunities here in San Fernando, Pampanga. Kaya si Megaworld din, ito yung one of their priorities in terms of the construction po sa mga townships nila.
So, this is the PPO. Usog lang tayo ng konti, no? And this is already the Montrose.
Yes.
Yan, no? Ongoing na siya.
That's the 2027 turnover naman natin na condo development. And beside Montrose is the Capital Mall and Museum.
Yes.
And they're just finalizing the design. Pero umpisahin na din po yung construction nila this year. Para next year, meron na tayong mall dito sa Capital Town. And at the same time, yung mga presyo natin tataas na. Sir Alan.
Correct. And one thing I love is, yun nga, kababa mo nga, it's already within your reach, no?
Yes.
Nandyan na yung mall. I think yung client natin dito, sabi niya, it's the walkability, it's the access,
the convenience, the comfort
na
and
lahat.
Security.
Yes. And today is almost end of March 2025. They recently opened yung Rainwater Park, which yun nga, pupuntahan natin. Okay. So let's go to the Rainwater Park to show you around kung ano yung progress doon.